welcome to my channel. It's Wendy Paquette here, and man, I was struggling as to how I was going to create a first video to hang out with you guys and say hello and welcome back. And it's been forever. I have never really done much on my channel, and it's about time, believe me. So when I was struggling, I had the invitation to connect with John Lennon's Imagine song and feel into the depth at which he was so honest. It's like he was singing into a conversation, things, thoughts that were in his mind, and he was so present and so genuine. And that song went on to become his greatest hit because it was so authentic and true to who he is and what he was really feeling. And that dropped me right into the space to share with you. The reason why I'm finally doing something on YouTube and sharing with everyone is because I know, speaking from my heart, what I imagine is a world where us as humans in skin suits can actualize anything we want. We can address our programming, the stuff that we've carried with us all along, the stuff that we're creating every single day, and transform it, if it's not working for us, into something that we really want. And that pathway exists on a timeline. From my perspective, timelines are infinite, and we're on one right now. You're in my world right now as I'm speaking to you, and I'm in yours. And if what you're seeing in your world isn't working for you, my perspective after doing this work for over a decade and really truly mastering it from in my own way is that you can address that programming and transform it and have a different experience in your reality. And I have many videos and audios that will explain that to you. If you don't know who I am, welcome. My name is Wendy Paquette. Hello. Weirdest person you'll probably meet in a while, or maybe not, but in my world, I am. And if you've been, if you've known, we've met before, you've been in my world before, or if you've known of my work and we haven't met yet, I'm excited that you're here. I can't wait to meet you in person or via video, and it could be kind of in person. But this world is a magical place. It's a magical place. And science plays a big part. New science that we don't know of yet, or we haven't addressed yet, or hasn't been solidified yet, we call magic. But it's all in the quantum world of change, and that we are energy in motion. All things are constantly transforming and changing as we live. So, what I wanted to deliver today was just basically me in an authentic space of inviting you into my world where you can access your world utilizing the tools that I teach. I've spent a decade delivering them and having spectacular results with humans shifting timelines into what they really want by eliminating the limiting programs that they carry, that they bought, that wrote in on DNA. And I finally know that I can teach you those tools and you can do them for yourselves. So there's a new way to access my work now. That was what I was excited to share because it speaks right into the John Lennon imagine space of what do I imagine? I imagine a peaceful world that's so joyful that everyone is experiencing their reality exactly the way they want to. Whether it's from a beautiful, um, relationship with someone or like spectacularly, powerfully abundant business or anything else, experiencing anything, the high level athleticism in, high achievement. Those are the type of humans that I've been working with so far, but I know that it is that aspect of oneself, having and doing and being everything you want, exists within all of us. And I know that for sure. And that I know that I wanted to create a space that invited you in to play with me to learn that about yourself so I could teach what I came here to teach. My soul's journey is having access to these tools that will support you in changing your reality as you know it, especially if you're not happy with it. So let's go. Let's play. I wanted just to announce to you that this is what I'm doing. I've got a new program coming. I wanted to invite you into play. I have a secret podcast that you can opt into and listen to. It's super deep and super fun. And it's me basically getting into the bathtub and channeling through from my soul's energy without the ego's influence. Some really awesome topics, some really cool things that will support you in understanding your reality differently, which could in fact change the way you see everything in your world, which as you know, when you see everything different, your experience of your world is different. And this is what this world is about. Physicality is about experiencing something, right? The greatest, I laugh when I hear someone say, "What do you want?" Well, there's all kinds of things out there that invite you to ask that question. But how many of you have actually answered that question? Like, have you answered your own question of what do I want ever? Okay, so, and if you have you experienced what you wanted yet? I want you to answer below. Let me know if you have or if you haven't, because that's what this is all about. I know that you have the capacity to have and experience anything you want. If you're not experiencing it, there are limiting programs in the way that can be changed so that you can experience it. How fun. It's true. The only way you're going to know that is to test it out and be in the space of allowing yourself to go there. That's my role on the planet, is to be the example of that and to teach it and to walk people into their own realities where they can have everything they want. So this announcement from me and my YouTube channel, which, I'm going to be truly honest, was kind of hard until I had the invitation from John Lennon's Imagine song. Imagine what our reality would be like if we all had access to something that gave us the greatest amount of joy and peace in our world, right? Yesterday, I got this really great indicator about seeing we can see the greatest challenges of our world as the greatest opportunities, and then bringing it into the meta space of you can see your own greatest challenges as your greatest opportunities as well. And I speak directly into it. I think it's a 21-minute, pulled through channel from my soul in the bathtub where I do all great things, where all great things happen, right? In the bubble tub. And it addresses that thing. We can change everything. And your ego brain might be saying, but no, it's never happened. I've wanted to change things and nothing has. And I get it. I so get it. Trust me. I get it. And there's programming in the way of that. Addressing that program is my genius. Teaching you how to do it now is what I'm really excited about. And I can't wait for you to learn it too for yourself if you're open, so that you can have a transformation within you that changes your reality outside of you. All kinds of stuff on that. I've got so much stuff coming to go into all the little nuances of the questions you might be having right now. And if you have questions, drop them below because I will answer them. If it's not by me, I'm going to send you an audio or a video or something that's going to show you and explain to you that this space is malleable in the sense that if you don't like it, let's change it. Right? You may have tried so far and not been successful. That doesn't mean it can't change. Co-creation works. Right? I learned that every day. No man is an island. We all work together in some capacity. Whether we like it or not, we create a space of co-creative reality. And oh gosh, it's so fun and so joy-filled. And the amount of love that I have with this work and to share it with you is beyond anything I can express. So thank you for being here. If you've been a subscriber of my channel with me having really nothing on it, I absolutely love you so much. I adore you and I thank you for doing so. If you're new and you're just finding this video now, welcome. Welcome to my world. I look forward to somehow connecting with you. Drop a "I'm new" down below. I just really, really look forward to playing with you in this space where we can experience a world that's so profoundly peaceful and joy-filled because you are the change that you want to see in the world, not because you're forcing yourself into it, but because you're transforming within to shift timelines, which will alter your reality and give you the experience you're after. So that's all I'm going to say for now. Thank you so much for being here. Today's January 12th and 3:30 is when I've premiered this. So if you're seeing this today or days from now, just know that you have all of the power to change your reality, to have a new experience. And so if that's what you're after, let's go. Let's play. How fast would you like to go? That's my question to you. So I look forward to seeing you soon. Drop your comments and your questions and anything else you have below that may or may not support you, even just a hello if you've been here for a while. And I'm sending you so much unconditional love. Cannot wait to share everything else with you. It's all coming. very, very soon. See you then.